How to change phone number in the Groww app. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to change your phone number in the Groww app. First, navigate to the Groww app on your mobile phone. Once you log in to Groww, you will be able to see the dashboard. Next, tap on your account on the upper right-hand side. Now click on your profile option here. Click on Edit Phone Number to change your number. You will then receive an OTP on your phone number once you click Send OTP. After that, enter the OTP and it's done. Your mobile phone number will now be changed successfully. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.